Once your TentBox GO is assembled and installed to your car as per our installation video, opening it is simple. First, remove the outer travel cover by unclipping the buckles and opening the zip on each corner. Then, remove the cover and you can fold it up and store it in the back of your car. Grab the ladder from inside the TentBox or the back of your car. You'll first need to twist the ladder hooks into place by using the top slider. Then, connect the ladder to the ladder loops and unclip the strap. You should extend it from the top rungs first, making sure each one locks into place before extending the next. You should try to make the ladder as vertical as possible, as this is when the ladder is at its strongest. In other words, don't lock out additional rungs if they are not needed. Then, climb inside and hold the top open with one arm or the top of your back and insert the two support arms. Make sure the bottom of each support arm is clipped in like this, and then slide the top clip into place like this. You can twist the arms using the grip in order to lengthen the poles and make sure the tent is as taut as it can be. Remember, your sleeping bag or duvet can stay in the TentBox when it's closed, meaning your bed is ready for you as soon as you pop it open. The side doors can be rolled up like this, and the front window can be rolled down like this, using the plastic toggles to secure them in place. The hood above the end window self-erects and acts as a vent, but it also means you can open the end window halfway without rain getting inside. The vent on the other side of the TentBox can be opened and closed from inside by opening this zip and then attaching these Velcro rods. As with all enclosed spaces, condensation buildup can occur. This heavily depends on how many people are inside the TentBox, the outside temperature and the humidity. The best way to prevent condensation is ventilation. The TentBox GO already has two built-in vents at either side, but to increase ventilation further, you can open the end window slightly like this. Even if it's raining, rain will not get in as the outer hood offers protection. When closing your TentBox, do your best to remove any water buildup on the fabric. You can do this by bashing the sides of the fabric to knock the water off, and also by opening the windows to let it dry out for 5 to 10 minutes before packing it away. If it's raining and you need to leave, it's also okay to pack it away wet. Just make sure you open it up again within 24 hours to stop the water from festering. Before closing it away for longer than 24 hours, you should always make sure it's fully dry. Before you close it, make sure the end window is open slightly or fully, as this allows for the air to escape and makes closing it down easier. Then, unclip the support arms and lay them down on the base, before exiting the TentBox via the ladder. Then, close the ladder and put it inside the TentBox or the back of your car. To close the ladder, remove it from the loops and then starting at the bottom, push these two toggles inward. The rung above the toggles will drop down, so watch your fingers. Repeat this until the ladder is fully closed and then apply the strap. Then walk around the TentBox making sure all of the fabric is tucked in and finally throw over the travel cover. Make sure all four corners are securely pulled over and then close the zip, apply the Velcro and clip the buckle in place on all four sides. Tighten the buckles by pulling on this strap to make sure it's secure. We recommend keeping your TentBox on all year round so that you're ready for adventure. But if you do want to store it, you can store it on its side. Just make sure to put something on the ground to protect the tent. Alternatively, you're also able to dismantle your TentBox GO and pack it up in an optional storage bag. That's especially handy if you live in an apartment. In terms of care, aside from never packing it away wet for longer than 24 hours, we also advise cleaning the fabric with warm water once a year and then reproofing it with a standard tent reproofer. As always, if you need any support with your TentBox, just reach out to our friendly and experienced team of product specialists.